Good morning, everyone. Welcoming you all once again to the classes provided for the first year degree students. You all remember the name of the textbook is Ecube, and we were dealing with Unit 11 in the text in the last few classes. So today our topic is consonants, the symbols, and some examples provided for that. So, in the last classes, we have already studied the pronunciation of the vowel sounds, the diphthongs, all those. So, I believe that you all have gone through all those classes provided by the teacher. And our next category is consonant. It's very easy to study because we are writing the alphabets, and most of the sounds are similar to that writing style. Okay, so directly to the sounds, consonants. Ready? The first sound that you can see on the screen is P sound. P. The pronunciation of that is P. We are writing a small letter P and we are reading it as P sound. So the phonetic symbol is small letter P, but the pronunciation is P sound. And you can see the example is provided here as pen. P as in pen. P-E-N, pen. So many other examples we can find out. For example, pin, P-I-N, pin, C-A-P, cap, then pluck, P-L-U-C-K, pluck. So many examples we can find out, and you can see the writing style also. While we are writing a word in phonetic symbol, we can see that we are placing that inside two slashes. So the word pen, you can see that P-E-N, pen. That's the spelling of the word. After that, you can see on the screen that is P sound, then vowel sound A, then N sound. Understood? And we are placing that inside two slashes. Then we are reading or pronouncing it as pen. Pen. Clear? So we will pass on to the next sound. The next sound provided here is B sound. B. B. Two lips are closed to pronounce B sound. B as in back. B-A-C-K. Back. Then bin. B-I-N. Bin. Then so many other examples you can find out. Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. Then pub. P-U-B. Pub. So many examples. So find out, try to find out yourself. The second sound we have studied is B. Now we are passing on to the third sound, that is T sound. T. Very easy to write. The writing style is small letter T and the pronunciation is T. T sound. It's not T. We should not pronounce it as T. Not so many stresses there, but it is T. T. The pronunciation is very light pronunciation. Okay. So the sound is T. T sound. T. T as in tin. T-I-N. Tin. T as in tea. T-E-A. Tea. Then T as in cat. C-A-T. T. Cat. Then television. Television. T. There also we are writing T sound. So understood that. The writing style, again I am saying, the writing style is alphabet alphabet T, small letter T, and the pronunciation is T sound. Then how to write that? For example, if we are writing the word T, T-E-A-T, we are first placing a slash. After that, we are writing T sound. After that, E. E-A is pronounced as E in T. Then after that we are closing the slash. Then the word is in phonemic symbol. The word is T. Clear? So try to pronounce that along with the teacher. While the teacher is saying that, you also please try to say along with that. Then it will be more clear. So why we are studying all this? Just to enhance our pronunciation. We will speak good English with the knowledge in pronunciation also. Understood? The next sound we are going to deal with is D sound. D. D. Understood? That's also very light. D sound. D. It's not D. D. Not so strong sound, but D. D. D sound. And how to write that? The writing style is small letter D, small letter D, and we are pronouncing it as D in phonemic symbol. So these sounds, these symbols are known as phonemic symbol. Phonemic, P-H-O-N-E-M-I-C, phonemic symbol. Okay, then the example provided on the screen is dog, dog, D-O-G, D-O-G, dog. The pronunciation is dog and the writing style is first you are placing a slash, then you are writing D sound. After that, O is the vowel sound. Then we are writing small letter G, but the pronunciation is G. You remember that, okay? So that is dog. Then we are closing the slash. So the fourth sound we have already understood, that is D sound. The first sound is P, the second is B, third is T, and the fourth one is D sound. Clear? Now we will handle with K sound. K. Writing style again I am saying alphabet K. Alphabet K, and we are pronouncing it as K sound. K sound. Clear? The example provided here is cat. C-A-T, cat. And you can see that C is pronounced as K sound. C is pronounced as K sound. So in the first class we understood that English is not a phonetic language because in English we cannot find one-to-one correspondence, which means that English always changes in pronunciation. That is, you are writing an alphabet and you are pronouncing it in many ways. So English is not a phonetic language, whereas our mother tongue Malayalam is a phonetic language. മനസ്സിലായില്ല പറഞ്ഞത് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ നമ്മൾ ഓരോ സൗണ്ട് എഴുതിയാൽ അതിന് ഒരുപാട് പ്രൊനൗൺസിയേഷൻസ് നമുക്ക് കാണാൻ സാധിക്കും. അതേസമയം നമ്മൾ മലയാളത്തിൽ എഴുതിയാൽ എന്താണോ എഴുതുന്നത് അത് തന്നെയാണ് നമ്മൾ പ്രൊനൗൺസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അത്തരം ഭാഷകളാണ് ഫെനറ്റിക് ലാംഗ്വേജ് എന്നറിയപ്പെടുന്നത്. അതേസമയം നമ്മൾ ഒരു തവണ എഴുതിയ സൗണ്ട് പല സ്പെല്ലിങ്സ് വരുമ്പോൾ പല രീതിയിൽ ഉച്ചരിക്കപ്പെടുന്നു എങ്കിൽ we can say that there is no one-to-one correspondence between the sound and the pronunciation. Such languages are known as unphonetic language. So English is not a phonetic language. Please bear that in your mind. Now we'll pass on to the next sound. So cat is C-A-T, cat, and we are writing first opening a slash. Whenever you are writing a phonemic symbol, phonemic word, you are first opening that with a slash. After that we are writing K sound. K sound, small letter K, pronunciation is K. Then on the screen you can see that it is A sound, A. The vowel sound A, K plus A plus T. That is cat. Then we are closing the slashes. Understood that? Okay. Now the next sound we are going to deal with is G sound. G. We are writing small letter G. Small letter G is written to pronounce G sound and the pronunciation is G. What's the pronunciation? G. It's not J. Always remember that because it's very confusing between J and G. Understood? So G is written and pronunciation is G. What's the pronunciation? It's G sound. G. Clear? Then examples you can see gun. G-U-N. Gun. G-U-N. Gun. How to write that? Opening a slash. Then writing small letter G. Pronunciation G. Then you remember triangle cut. While we were dealing with the vowel sounds, we have studied that A. A sound. A sound is written as a triangle cut and the pronunciation is A. So G plus A plus N, N sound. That together give you the word gun. Understood that? So we can see that G-U-N is pronounced as gun. Then we are closing the slashes. Next sound we are going to study is ch sound. Ch. What's the sound? Ch. Ch. And how to write that? That's a light, means a small variation in that writing style. That is we are first writing small letter T, then we are writing a long S. Long S. We are writing small letter T and a long S. Long S. Not short S but long S. And that two symbols give you the sound ch. What's the sound? Ch. That's a new thing. So the pronunciation is ch, and the example we have provided here is chin. C-H-I-N. Chin. Clear? C-H-I-N. Chin. Then how to write that? As already studied, first open the slash, then small letter T and long S, that is ch. Then small letter I. Small letter I we are writing, and what's the pronunciation? The pronunciation is E. What's the pronunciation? E. So while we were studying vowel sounds, we studied that E and E. Remember? So ch plus E plus N. That together give you the word chin. C-H-I-N. Ch as in chin. Which are the other examples? Chair. Then catch. C-A-T-C-H. Catch. Then teacher. Teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. Understood? So the sound is ch. You have to write this and study. Last sound today we are going to deal with is j sound. J. J. So please don't confuse this. Small letter J is also coming, but not now. Later it will be taught to you. Now we are studying J sound and how to write that. D3. We are writing small letter D and we are writing a 3. 3. Understood? And that together give you the sound J. J. J as in jug. J-U-G. J-U-G is jug. And how to write that? First open the slash, then D3. D3 is J. Then again triangle cut A. Then small letter G, pronunciation G. We are closing the slashes. So the example provided here is jug. Jug. So many other examples are the jar. J-A-R. Jar. Then judge. J-U-D-G-E. Judge. So you try to find out your own examples. We'll be doing all this in the task also. So that's all for today's class. Once more we'll be revising that. The first sound is P. P as in pen. B. B as in back. T. T as in tea. D. D as in dog. K. K as in cat. G. G as in gun. Ch. Ch as in chin. J. J as in jug. So these are the sounds that we have studied. So many sounds are remaining, the whole total. There are 24 consonant sounds. Today we have only studied 8 sounds. So that's all for today's class. Try to watch your classes regularly. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.